Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day, honey. In today's news, we are talking about Shebeshita. Now, Shebeshita, congratulations to him because he got a massive deal with Lamborghini. Now, according to an article on a Facebook page called the Mpahlele View, Shebeshkt, and I quote, Shebeshkt inks massive deal with Lamborghini. Popular musician Lihlohonolo Shebeshkt Chauke has bagged a prestigious deal with an international brand. This after the Muso announced a massive collaboration with an Italian winemaker company, Lamborghini Wine. So Lamborghini Wine is a luxurious wine company founded in Italy, Europe back in 1968, and it is known for its quality and expensive wine. The company was founded by the late Ferrudo Lamborghini, the man who also founded the automobile Lamborghini, which manufactures supercars. The deal represents Shebe's influence in the music industry. The Libra Home porn star has been on the upward trajectory and has arguably become the most influential artist in the country. Now, I personally think he got this deal because of the interview that he had with McG, but I am not saying 100% like that. I think maybe it had some influence, because in that episode they were drinking and whatnot, and he was enjoying his drinks, and then after that he gets a deal with the Lamborghini wine. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Comment down in the comment section down below. What do you guys think? Do you think that episode had an effect? Now, because I personally think it does. Now, he is famous for his trademarks chants of Shita and Twerker. The Muso will be smiling all the way to the bank following the conclusion of this prestigious deal. Congratulations to Shebeshita once again. We wish him all the best in the future and in the industry, and I hope he gets all his flowers while he is still alive. That's all I have for you today. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.